Now that everything in here has been cleaned up, we have made the decision to irrigate on this side as well. We're just going to do the same as we did on this side, where we run the poly pipe and just attach a couple of half circle sprinklers. You will see that we purposely ran a piece of poly pipe all the way over the arch, and it ends on this side just in case we ever decided to extend. So I'm not sure if it's coming up on the screen as well as it is in real life, but this very first one, it's broken and it's spraying just everywhere, and as you can see, it's kind of like bombing these poor little seedlings. Yeah, you can see on this angle, it's just a big spray. The rest of it makes just this beautiful little mist, and it's just enough to keep things going. So this is what we're sort of aiming for. So let's get started.
It just means we're going to be one short on this side for now, but there's nothing actually down there.
No, we only need 4 for now.
Does it make sense to put those in today if we're just going to be watering the floor?
No, we'll just put in how many we need. Maybe
so
2.
Just 1, maybe 2.
Maybe 2.
2, and we'll move the banana over.
Yeah. So I don't know if you can see that, but the little black bit there is what's cracked, and that's what's causing this whole thing not to really work very well. Yep.
And then we're just going to make sure we just check everything for leaks.
Yeah.
Cool. Just going to hold this on so I can do the others without it falling off the pipe. I've got to then pull that end cap off again.
Which is probably why you didn't last time.
Probably.
It's symmetrical. Oh, that looks good. We've got the main pipe in. We're only going to put in about 2 sprinklers for now, as we don't have a lot of plants on this side of the greenhouse. As we add to the greenhouse, we will add in those extra sprinklers, because at the moment it'll just end up wasting water. pretty much watering the ground.
It'd be nice if it was though.
I just pulled it up as high as that thing would
Okay.
safely go without damaging the pipe.
So like
Too high, yeah.
like,
Yeah,
yeah.
small kink in the pipe is probably a bit better. Less pressure on that.
It's a spider. What is that thing?
I thought it was poop.
No. Well, if it's poop, it's running.
Oh, then yes, it would be a spider, I
It's running.
suppose. I just thought it was like bird poop. So as we never filmed the actual installation of this irrigation in our greenhouse, I thought I'd quickly just show you how we set it up initially. And for those that don't know, we run solely on rainwater. And then Sven put in this little system for us. So it is a water smart thing. It runs on Wi-Fi and we can program it to go off at certain times and the frequency, which is really awesome. You will see we've got some poly pipe running here. It goes. So some of this black poly goes and waters our vegetable garden, and you can just see, a little bit nervous for snakes, you can just see that poly pipe running down there, and it goes underneath that fence. So I'll take you through to the other side and show you how it actually all connects and where it runs. We've obviously buried it, but you can just see it there, and it runs all the way along our little patio, and it goes all the way to our fruit trees. Right, so as you can see, it comes all the way to our fruit trees, which are all irrigated. They're on the same timer and system as the greenhouse. So this one here runs along towards the fence and then all the way down to the greenhouse. The pipe comes through here, up, and then as you saw, it was just a really simple setup. Alright guys, that's where we're going to leave you today with this quick job. I hope you enjoyed, and let us know what else we should be putting in our greenhouse.